Hello friends, hope you are enjoying life or life is enjoying you. Nowadays, people are quite fond of famous caller tune and enticing dialogues from the Scam 1992 web series. Market up and down, short long, bullish bearish, winding unwinding, put and call are very busy words nowadays. Market has seen surge with new class of retail investors post COVID-19 pandemic. Great. People are becoming smart and rich. Friends, you must have seen many videos, tutorials, webinars on trading. They are quite helpful. Jnanpit's endeavor is to help you with practical and fundamental knowledge which will help to build a right approach and attitude towards share market trading. Today, we will glance through intraday part of the market. Intraday or day trading is the act of buying and selling financial scripts within same day or even multiple times over the course of the day. Theme of intraday trading is to take lucrative advantage of small upward or downward movement of scripts with weapon of time and money in most liquidable format. Let's understand some key pointers for intraday trading. First, this is not the hobby, it's a job. It's profitable when investors are serious and act with technical and fundamental research. It's not the matter of luck, it's the application of your ability to fund time, money, and knowledge. Destiny will follow. Second, knowledge is power. Don't experiment with scripts with unproven track record. Avoid penny stocks. Choose right broker for intraday for better brokerage and tips. Tracking high beta quality stock is quite helpful. Third, park your vitamin T and M. What is that? Time and money. Set aside funds. Opportunity will not wait for your efforts to acquire money and invest. It's like going to the mandi with clear cash in pocket as decisions are on the spot. You need to stay tuned to the market for entire duration. Initial and last 30 minutes are important from decision making perspective. You may observe more trading during that time. Fourth, apply vitamin C. Means be cool like cucumber. Stock market will definitely test your nerves. As a day trader, you need to learn to keep greed, hope and fear at your bay. Decisions should be governed by logic, not by emotions. Just control your excitement and anxiety. Just stay with course. Fifth, when to buy strategies. Liquidity, volatility, and average daily trading volume are quite clear aspects which to be used. Tools like real-time news services, electronic communication networks, intraday candlesticks are quite useful tools. Especially studying candlestick charts for short duration is quite helpful. Keep 4 to 5 scripts which have high velocity or momentum are useful. Sixth, when to sell strategies. Scalping, fading, daily pivots, and momentum are important strategies. Choose right strategy as per your appetite. First, scalping. It involves selling everything immediately when you become profitable. Price target is whatever the price that translates into you have made money on that deal. Second, fading. It involves shorting stocks after rapid moves upward. This is risky but extremely rewarding. Third, daily pivots. It involves profiting from stocks' daily volatility. This is like buying at the lowest of the day and selling at the highest of the day. Price is simply at the next sign of reversal. Fourth, momentum. This involves trading on news releases supported with high volume. Price target is when volume begins to decrease. Hope you have liked vitamin K, that is the knowledge related with intraday trading. We will continue our endeavor to reach our viewers with more insights on the topic like delivery trading, future options, fundamental and technical research, how to build good portfolio and win, how to become rich. Subscribe our channel Jnanpit for more insights, knowledge and fun. Stay healthy, become wealthy and enjoy life.